Hello, everyone. We have another funny little story today. Stay with us and enjoy the chaos. Today, I drop everything. I leave my apartment slowly, bag in one hand, coffee in the other. Easy.
Dangerous start. Too many things. One Jane. Risky.
I walk down the stairs. Step, step, careful. Then my phone slips. Oh no. Drop. Clack!
First drop. Phone down. Morning begins. Fast.
I pick up the phone quickly. No crack. Lucky phone. Okay. Then I move again. One more step. Careful now. Yes. But my keys fall next. Jingle, jingle, down the stairs. No!
Second drop. Keys running away. Fast keys. Wow.
I run after the keys. Coffee moves. Bag moves. Bad idea. Then the coffee falls too. Splash. Cold floor. Great.
Triple drop combo. Phone. Keys. Coffee victory.
I stand very still now. Quiet stairs. Deep breath. Wow. Then my bag opens slowly. Papers slide out. One by one. No, no, no.
And again. Endless drops. Falling morning. Unstoppable.
I look at the stairs. Phone, keys, papers, coffee. Disaster. Then I laugh suddenly. Okay, today is this kind of day. Fine. I kneel on the stairs. Papers everywhere. Keys far away. Wow. I pick up one paper, then another. Then coffee cup. Okay.
Slow recovery now. Step by step. Paper by paper. Survival mode.
Then I hear footsteps above me. Slow steps. Coming closer. Huh? I look up. Tall man. Blue jacket. Oh.
New character enters. Stairs full of chaos. Perfect timing. Yes.
The man looks at the stairs. Papers. Coffee stain. Wow. Then he smiles kindly. Need help? Nice.
Good question. Answer obvious. Very obvious. Yes, please.
I laugh a little. Yes. A lot of help, honestly. The man kneels down too. Picks up papers. Finds keys. Easy.
Teamwork now. One drops things. One saves things. Balanced.
I hold the coffee cup carefully now. Very carefully. 2 hands. Safe. The man gives me the last paper. Small smile. Mission complete. Nice.
Pig success. Stairs clean. Papers safe. Coffee maybe not.
I smile warmly. Thank you. Really. Kind. Then I stop. I look at his hand. Coffee stain too. Oh no.
Plot twist. Helper touched coffee. Now both messy. Friendship stain.
I look at the coffee stain on the stairs. Brown floor. Little mess. Sorry.
Bad morning scene. Dropped coffee. Dropped papers. Dropped everything.
Then I stop moving. Warm smell. Sweet coffee smell. Wait. I smell the air again. Coffee and vanilla. Warm morning smell. Nice.
Funny thing. Big mess. Good smell. Strange.
The man smells it too. Small smile. Deep breath. Wow. He laughs softly. Still smells good, even on the stairs. True.
Coffee loses the cup, but wins the smell. Impressive coffee. Powerful.
I laugh too. Messy stairs, warm coffee smell. Cozy. Then we both sit quietly for 1 second. Warm smell. Quiet building. Calm.
Strange moment. Bad morning first. Peaceful stairs later. Unexpected.
I smile at the coffee stain. Maybe not everything is bad. Maybe. I look at the empty coffee cup. No coffee now. Only smell. Sad.
Coffee gone. Stairs wet. Cup empty. Tragedy.
The man stands up slowly. Coffee stain on hand. Small smile. Then he points upstairs. I have coffee. In my apartment. Extra coffee.
Oh? Mystery helper. Coffee hero. Impressive.
I blink in surprise. Really? For me? Wow. He laughs softly. Yes, fresh coffee. Easy.
Nice trade. Dropped coffee. Replacement coffee. Balance.
I smile warmly now. That sounds nice. Thank you. Really. We walk upstairs together. Slow steps. Quiet building. Calm.
Strange morning again. Falling papers. New coffee friend. Unexpected.
The man opens his apartment door. Warm light inside. Coffee smell again. Wow. I laugh softly. Best dropped coffee ever. Maybe true. I step inside slowly. Warm apartment. Soft yellow lights. Cozy. The man walks to the kitchen quietly. Slow steps. Careful hands.
Coffee master mode now. Serious face. Important mission. Dangerous.
He opens a small cabinet. Many coffee bags. Many cups. Wow. Then he smells the coffee beans. Deep breath. Happy smile. Nice.
This is not normal coffee. This is coffee ceremony. Coffee science. Wow.
He picks one bag carefully. Dark beans. Rich smell. Interesting. Then he starts grinding the beans slowly. Crunch, crunch. Soft sound. Serious.
Listen to that sound. Quiet apartment. Coffee music. Relaxing.
I sit very still now. Warm smell. Soft music from kitchen. Calm. Then he heats the water slowly. Steam rises. Careful pouring. Wow.
Not fast coffee. Slow coffee. Patient coffee. Special.
I smile softly. You really love coffee, don't you? True. He laughs quietly. A little. Maybe too much. Maybe.
Good thing Jane dropped everything today. Bad stairs. Good coffee. Lucky.
The man puts the cup in front of me. Dark coffee. Warm steam. Wow. I hold the cup carefully. Warm hands. Rich smell. Okay.
Big moment now. Special coffee. Serious coffee. Pressure.
I take a very small sip. Warm coffee. Soft taste. Oh. Then I stop moving. Sweet first, deep taste later. Wow.
Not normal cafe coffee. Not fast coffee. Slow coffee. Different.
I take another sip slowly. Warm cup. Quiet room. Nice. This tastes different. Very different. Really good. Wow.
Good coffee changes the room. Softer voices. Slower time. Calm.
I look at the cup again. Dark coffee. Small steam. Interesting. I usually drink coffee fast, before work, while walking. True.
Fast coffee life. Drink. Run. Busy.
I smile softly. But this coffee makes me stop, somehow. The man nods slowly. Good coffee needs time. True.
Funny morning. Dropped everything. Found slow coffee. Unexpected.
Funny morning. Dropped phone, dropped keys, dropped coffee too. At first, everything felt messy. Loud stairs, stressful.
But then, kind stranger. Warm apartment. Slow coffee.
I hold the warm cup again. Quiet room, soft coffee smell, calm. Jane dropped everything and found something better. Warm coffee, slow moment. If this story made your morning softer, leave a like for us. Subscribe and come back for another calm little story together. And tell us in the comments, what helps you slow down?
Thanks for spending this quiet morning with us. See you in the next story.